Did you know that regular lift and shaft cleaning isn't just about keeping things looking tidy? It's a key part of preventative maintenance. Over time, dust, debris, and grease can build up in lift shafts, doors, and machinery spaces. This doesn't just affect performance, it can hide early signs of wear and tear that lead to breakdowns or costly repairs. At Elevator Repair Specialists, our lift and shaft cleaning service helps keep your equipment running safely and efficiently. By maintaining a clean environment, our engineers can spot potential issues early, plan repairs in advance, and extend the life of your lift. From domestic lifts to large commercial systems, we tailor our cleaning process to suit your building, reducing downtime, improving reliability, and keeping your lift looking its best. Clean lifts work better, last longer, and cost less to maintain. Keep your lift in top condition with Elevator Repair Specialists.